Joel Ordesky. I'm the marketing manager for the F65 and the SR Master product line. And we're here at Cine Gear with the F65. We've recently done a bunch of upgrades to the F65. The final version of the SR file SSTP workflow, HD workflow was put out, and so we have all those features put into the camera now. We also introduced Raw Light here just at last NAB, and we rolled it out last month. Raw Light is a slightly more compressed version of our RAW, and it gives you another option. So now with the camera you have both a RAW workflow with two options. You have a SR file or SSTP HD workflow with two options today and a third coming this summer. So coming this summer, we also announced we'll have our high-speed frame rates up to 120 frames per second. Selectable will be coming out this summer, as well as an 880 megabit per second 12-bit HD for the camera as well. So we now have a variety of options. This gives the camera a high degree of flexibility. All right, so one of the great things about the F65 is we have an iPad or a tablet application here, currently running on the iPad and soon with an Android application as well. You can also access all of these features using any smartphone. So if you have a smartphone or a tablet and you access the Wi-Fi of the camera, you can get this. You can also, via hardwire, use your laptop and a 10BASE-T connection to access all these menus. So as you can see, I have full access. So if I want to roll in an ND filter, I can actually just select an ND filter, say done, and the camera will roll an ND filter in. In fact, almost anything on the side of the camera, including the high-low key, any of these programmable keys I can touch. But in addition to that, I have full access to all the menus. So here I have every menu that's based in the camera. I have total control. So not only is this a great tool to use on site, but this is also a training tool. So if you want to, you don't own the camera now, but you'd really like to learn more about it, you download this application and you have access to all of the menus. You can try them out, you can see what they are. You also have the advantage that there's a manual built into the unit. And so you can see I could select the manual and pull up a version of the manual if I'd like to. I also have the signal flow if I want to change or adjust my LUTs or see how I've set the camera up. So this is a really great resource. And again, you can access it via the iPhone app or the iPad application. You could use your iPhone directly with it, or you could use a tablet or any internet-enabled device to access this through the web browser built into the camera. All the latest information about the camera is available at sony.com/F65. You can follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/SonyF65 or on Facebook at facebook.com/BeyondHD. And all those places we have discussion, and you can follow us or you can ask us questions and we'll respond.